Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding the exact location you want the QR to open. Use Google Maps or a GPS app to copy latitude, longitude, and decimal format. Once copied, build a location link. Use https://maps. Google com/q equals lat LNG or a geo lat LNG URI. Next, pick a QR generator that supports dynamic codes and short URLs so you can edit later. Once done, paste the location link into the generator, choose dynamic code, and proceed to generate a test QR to verify the target immediately. Now refine the QR. Shorten the link with a UTM-tagged short URL for analytics and cleaner QR density. In the generator, set scan redirects or a landing redirect so you can update the destination without reprinting. Customize visual contrast and error correction level to balance design with scan reliability. Choose level M or Q for outdoor prints. Once customized, download high-resolution SVG or PNG at the recommended size, and save the dynamic QR in your account to track scans and edit target if needed. Deploy the printed QR where GPS reception matches your intended spot. Test scans from multiple devices and networks to confirm the map opens to the right coordinates. Once satisfied, produce the final batch and install using weatherproof materials and clear placement signs. Monitor scan analytics weekly and update the redirect if you change the location or content. Troubleshooting tip: if scans open the wrong spot, clear cached map short links, verify decimal coordinates, and confirm the dynamic QR redirect points to the updated URL before reprinting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.